Imagine surviving a hurricane hidden in plain sight. With winds reaching over 150 mph, one man took refuge inside a billboard frame, creating a safe haven. Using a weatherproof tarp and high-strength ropes, he fortified the structure against torrential rain. The hurricane struck with unprecedented force, causing devastation to nearby homes and flooding. Despite the chaos, this unique shelter remained intact, showcasing a remarkable survival strategy. Interestingly, the billboard was designed to stand 50 feet tall, offering a perfect vantage point amidst the storm's fury.